Check out this is 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input, bucket seats, child safety locks and driver adjustable lumbar. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.